That I am.
Oh, yes. Oh, ooh. Man, that justice hurts.
It does when I prosecute.
Wait, so you're a prosecutor in real life?
I am, yes.
You are a prosecutor. Give this man a round of applause. Wow. And so if he's a prosecutor, what do you do?
I'm a speech therapist.
Right on. That is a very accomplished couple. I like that. So both of you, the speech therapist and the prosecutor, you could win curtain one.
It's his and her tennis gear.
That's nice. Okay. You guys play tennis?
Yeah, it's a little racquetball.
A little, so not tennis.
Yeah.
Do you play tennis? I've seen it on TV, but I like racquetball better. That is, well, you could win that. You could also win this.
It's a new scooter.
You guys ride bikes?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Atlanta.
Atlanta, so you could ride that down Peachtree?
Absolutely.
Just ride that? Taking turns though, because it's kind of small. Or you could also win this.
It's a trip to South Carolina.
Just so you know, golf is not racquetball. You guys can win all those prizes by playing a little game that we call Panic Button. Follow me. Stand right here. One at a time, you will hit a button. 3 of these buttons do nothing, and that's a good thing, because each of the other 3 buttons close one of the curtains. Once a curtain is closed, you lose that prize. So after you hit a button, if you hear this, that's good. It means you haven't lost anything. The curtain will not close. But if you hear this, then that means that one of the curtains is about to close. Hopefully, at the end of this deal, you will have all 3 prizes. You have to hit 3 buttons. Whatever prizes remain, that's what you get. All right, so pick a button, say it out loud, and then hit it.
What do you?
Oh, there's a mic, you can't whisper.
Oh, okay.
Your Honor, I will. A sidebar,
Go for
please.
number 2.
Two.
Number 2.
We'll go 2.
Hit it. There you go. 2 more chances. All 3 curtains open. Next one.
Your turn. Get to it.
Looks like most of them. 4.
Oh, contempt. All right. 1 more left. Now, the good news is you do have 2 prizes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. 1.
Mark says
1.
1. Congratulations. You still have the tennis gear and you have the trip to South Carolina. Congratulations. Okay, but we're not finished yet, guys. We are not finished yet. You've got 2 more buttons. One opens all the curtains. The other one closes all the curtains. If you choose the wrong button, you lose it all. Now this is the important part. To make the deal even sweeter, if you choose the correct button and all 3 curtains are open, I will give you a bonus of $2,000. So you can take what you have and walk away, or you can go for it, but know that if you pick the wrong button, you'll lose everything.
Do you want to take it?
I'm grateful. Yeah.
What we got?
I'm just blessed to be with you.
Oh, you're so sweet. I love you.
It's your show.
Jonathan, what's the value of both of those prizes?
If you were to add those both prizes together, it would be the sum of their value.
That is true, and that is what they would be worth in totality.
Over $8,000.
Over $8,000 in prizes.
We'll keep it.
You'll keep it?
Absolutely.
They're gonna keep it, but just for fun, A or B, just for fun.
I'd have chose B.
B, hit it. You would have gotten it, so you would have been able to keep the bike and the $2,000. But you know what? You've got each other. You've got those trips. You've got the tennis racket, the gear. Congratulations. Safe trip back to Atlanta. Give a big round of applause. More Let's Make a Deal right after this.
Redirect the Shields